Hello friends, Awesome Joe here, and today I'm presenting you with the RTIC Road Trip Personal Cooler. Alright, I got this as a gift from my mama, so hopefully you got somebody special in your life that can give you something cool like this. Or, if you like what I'm about to show you, you can use my Amazon link to purchase one of your own. So let's open this up. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. And here's a first look. So it's an RTIC Road Trip Personal Cooler, 12 can capacity, ultra light construction. And alright, so I see a label here. It says lift handle to lock lid. So the lid is locked, so we're gonna lower handle to release and lift it from right here. Nope, just kidding. Lift it from right here. There we go. Awesome. So it's orange on the inside. Looks like we have a little carrying little cargo thing up here. You can go stuff like a sandwich up there. Awesome. Give you a nice view of it. Back view, side view. Let's read this label. So the exterior dimensions are 11 3/4. So it looks like it's 11 3/4 in this direction. It says 8 inches wide, and then 14 1/4 tall. So 14 1/4 tall, 11 inches wide, 11 3/4, and then 14 1/4. There's even a QR code and their website there as well. Here's the packing list. So it's 8 quarts. Capacity of 8 quarts. Alright, so nice. Let's see the bottom. Cool. It's got a nice RTIC logo on the bottom. These are rubber feet. Let's see how well these rubber feet are. Oh wow, nice grip. Okay, so this is a table here, and it is not sliding. I gotta force it to slide, so that's a pretty good grip on there. So if it's like on the back somewhere, it's not going to slide off too easy. Nice. And if you like what you see, you can also click in the description. I'll have an Amazon influencer link. You can click that if you'd like to purchase it. Well, check it out. Awesome Joe checking out. Peace.